Using this adapter, I can leverage that clamp to secure the camera in a vertical orientation to begin filming vertical content. In this video, I'll be taking a look at this adapter from SmallRig that allows you to take your camera from shooting horizontal to vertical with ease. Let's take a look. So this is the adapter. It's a built-in Arca Swiss plate. So you also get a multi-tool and 2 additional screws in case it needs like a deeper reach or whatnot for the cage that you're working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this on the Nikon ZR. I'll do it on this side by the grip because when it does go to shoot vertically, I wanna have access to that screen. I don't want it facing the downward direction or it being obstructed by any case. So I'm actually space it out with 1 hole in between so that I don't have any swivel when I put this on. All right, and just like that, I have the SmallRig adapter added to the cage, and this is what it looks like. It does sort of make the grip less usable in this sense, but with a nice trade-off. Go ahead and test going from shooting from vertical to horizontal if I had this on a mini tripod. All right, so typically if I wanted to shoot vertical, this is what it would look like with the camera using the built-in Arca Swiss plate on the cage. Boom, so that's pretty much self-explanatory there, but now using this adapter, I can leverage that clamp to secure the camera in a vertical orientation to begin filming vertical content, and that's how it looks from the top view. Pretty dope, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, now that's pretty cool. If your camera doesn't have open gate, awesome way to go about easily capturing that footage from a vertical 16:9 aspect ratio. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future tech tutorials. If you're curious at all about checking out this product, I will have a link to it in the description. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.